Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Forex market wrap, go over a few currency pairs of the week and some levels of interest. So Euro dollar was a focus for us going into this week. We wanted to see that price break out of last week's high and low and see the price continue to break to the downside, and we can see here that that was quite a successful breakout through there. It was really helped by the FOMC decision to keep interest rates the same but talk about hiking interest rates into the future, and we talked about the potential for the market to come back down into this 1.2 level, and after a slight consolidation and combined with that news, we saw a really nice push in that dollar strength and a big move to the downside. So we've now broken below that 1.2 level, which is interesting to see, and if we continue to see a close below this level going into next week, this 1.2 area here could act as resistance. So we'll keep an eye on this area on Euro US dollar, because 1.2 is quite significant, and the fact that we're trading below this is just showing us the signs of that US dollar strength. We can also see that dollar strength in dollar Swiss, and this was another pair that we were targeting for a breakout move. The market had been ranging between the sort of 0.9050 area down into the sort of 8940s, and the market was really struggling to find some ground in this area. However, we looked at that weekly time frame, which showed signs that the market was more than likely going to be bullish. Again, FOMC rate statement really helped fuel that dollar fire, and the market has now broken out of this range. So really looking strong for potential dollar continuation trades going forward. Another one that we looked at was dollar CAD. We traded a nice dollar CAD move up this week, down in here before the sort of announcement came through. All sort of the past 2 weeks we've been talking about the fact that these low range and weekly candlesticks are showing us signs that the sellers are becoming exhausted, and you know, we've seen that now that the buyers are well and truly pushing price back up. We do have a resistance level up at 124.65, which was the targets for this week. We've coming very close to that, so I expect even next week we hit those. We may get a retracement from that level, and then if we break through, then we could see a complete change in trend on the dollar CAD pair in the coming months if we are to see that weekly change in trend. At the moment, we're still in that overall downtrend on dollar CAD, and I would expect some kind of retracement to this move. However, 124.65 still remains that sort of target there. Euro Oz was another one to watch. We talked about the potential to buy Euro Oz this week after it retested this area of support. We spoke about the fact that the market had broken out of these range highs, and you were to look at the potential for buying the continuation trade of this breakout. We specifically actually talked about looking for some pullback opportunities on this, and what we had going into sort of last week was the fact that this double bottom was forming, and it looked to me like we could see some further upside, and that's has played out pretty nicely this week. So if you managed to catch Euro Oz, that was another good chart to take a look at. Now I'm just going to finish on pound yen, because pound yen has broken to the downside. This was on our list for a reversal going into this week, and the fact that we've broken to the downside now is actually quite a similar thing that's happening across all yen pairs, not just on pound yen. We can see that so the likes of Euro yen, CAD yen, Kiwi yen, Aussie yen have all broken to the downside, which could see the yen actually gain a little bit of strength on the strength meter going into next week. But importantly, pound yen has broken out of this range. Could we expect a potential pullback and continuation move here? We may not get back up to that range breakout, but there's still some decent levels a little bit lower, around about 153.70, that we may be able to look at in next week's Forex market outlook or the week ahead analysis. If you've enjoyed the analysis this week, please give this video a thumbs up. Lets me know that you're enjoying the content. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that notification bell to be alerted when a new video is uploaded, and thanks for watching this week, and I'll speak to you soon.